Hi, I'm Astha, and today I'm going to be making a rainbow density tower. Yes, I did do this intro after I finished making this, but this is an experiment about density. So basically what I did was I found solutions which I could find around my house, and I layered them one by one to see which is more dense than the other. So let's make this. Enjoy! So the ingredients which I used are vegetable oil, olive oil, honey, rose-flavored syrup, milk, rubbing alcohol, dish soap, regular water, and maple syrup. And then I'm using these medicine cups. Fight me! And we will use these cups to measure 15 milliliters of these solutions. This right here is actually rubbing alcohol, but it's the same color as water, so to prevent any confusions, we dyed it purple. And instead of doing it 15 milliliters, we did it 20 milliliters. Now, in that little glass, we have to pour in very carefully each and every liquid. So this thing right here is the finished product. So the highest density level is the honey, and the lowest density level is the vegetable oil. So over here we have an eraser. This is a sheet of plastic, a little rock, and a paper. So we're going to drop them in this rainbow tower, and we're going to see and observe how far deep will each object sink or float. I don't know if you can see, but the plastic is on top, the paper is between the oil and the rubbing alcohol, and in the bottom here, between the rose syrup and maple syrup, is the eraser, and right in the bottom is the little stone. So it means that the one that is floating on the surface is the plastic, and in between is the paper and the eraser, and the one which sank all the way to the bottom is the little stone. Okay, so the conclusion of this whole thing is, if the higher the density of the liquid, the more it will sink to the bottom, and vice versa. The lesser dense the liquid is, it will float more on the top. If the object has a higher density, it will sink and go more to the bottom, just like the stone, and the same goes the other way. If an object has less density, it will float, just like the plastic. I think that's all. Thank you.